What's going on, YouTube? I know I've been trying to be consistent, but it's been a while. So I don't know what happened to the first clip of this video. I don't know if I didn't hit record or it got erased. I don't know. But pretty much just want to give a rundown what's going on in the video. Peep's Coop, his battery wasn't charging, kept dying. A speedometer wasn't working. I already know on these Hondas, common effect on these. Common thing that happens is the O2 sensor grounds out, pops the fuse, which is the same fuse for the alternator and for the speed sensor or speedometer. So that's the first thing we're gonna check on. And then we're gonna install his lower subframe brace, whatever it's called, and we're gonna fix his beat. So, you know, hopefully you guys are able to make it to the end. Trying to keep some content pumping out. It's hard. It's hard to, you know, work that 9 to 5 and then film and editing mainly. I enjoy filming, but editing takes some time. So thanks for watching. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Here's the video. That shit smells over here.
What you mean, boy?
What do you mean? Just show them the back of your shorts. Don't know.
Hey.
Damn. Okay. Mic prop? Nah. No. A new O2 sensor, if you ever need it, will come with this.
Yeah, so it's pigtail, right?
Yeah, fuck all that. So this right here,
Hondas, my boy, we don't need O2s.
this will pop your fuses.
Every time.
God damn. Whoa. My boy. Apestas. I got a whiff of that.
That shit big,
I got a whiff, no cap.
Is it P&B Smash Burger?
Shut up. Alright, so from here, Peep, you probably already know which one this is. Oh, right there. Alternator speed sensor. It'll pop that one every time. It's a 7.5, not a 10. Hell no.
Never popped that. I think I have a 7.5 spare. Yeah.
Oh.
Usually when that shit blows, when the fucking speedometer starts cool.
So you guys can see it? Balloon. That's true power. Alright, what's next? The beat or the subframe?
Subframe. Beat feels like a seat.
Is it though?
We're just grounding it.
That's it?
Yeah, everything's connected. It's just, I think the beat was just fucking shorting out every time he would up it, remember?
Oh,
So
yeah.
he barely put it up for it to not blow. But he should have left it off because I can't hear nothing in you.
Alright, well, let's take off the rears. Alright, so this is what we're gonna be installing. The brace.
Shout out True Heart.
We gotta make a match with the. Did you buy them together, or you're just now putting the brace on, or?
You know, I've owned this brace for about maybe 7 years.
The fuck?
I don't fucking know. Remember, I was building 3 Civics at one time.
Yeah.
And it all got to this one.
Alright, so it's gonna be pretty easy because all we pretty much gotta do is unbolt the actual main bolts. Those right there.
Yeah.
You know what? I'm not even gonna say shit. I'm not gonna say it's easy because usually that's when shit tends to go to shit.
So you unbolt those 2 bolts. Put this back up. Bolt it back up. 2 bolts right here. 2 bolts right here. These 4 bolts. Good. Very good.
We'll find out.
Very nice.
Guess first things first. Este.
Sway bar soon.
How is this shit? This bracket doesn't go first?
What do you mean?
Like this back one?
No, it goes back here.
Like he's swirling.
That bracket that's tightening it on. It's a spacer for it.
Fuck.
What?
Oh, so it's just, what are these for?
That's to hold the top part, the top brace. This is the 2 bolts that I just bought.
We'll hold it on to what?
Back of this, right here.
Oh, what, the through?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Subframes.
Did we ever do this before?
I want to say Eric's.
But I don't think we've ever changed the subframe brace. Jimmy's.
We have. I mean, I've done one before for sure. I just don't remember nothing about these bolts. Did we just leave them out?
Depending on where you bought, because I bought this at NorCal. Yeah, this fucking hurts. At NorCal, and they just gave me the bolts for the bottom. They just gave me the brace. So I didn't put it on because I needed the bolts on top. And
maybe that's why. Maybe we just never put them on.
Let me get a little pry bar.
Why?
For the controls?
You just push the wheel out. You just push the wheel out.
They move easy?
Yeah. Well, this one.
Off all pinky?
Tell you, bro, I've been here yesterday. Just needed the bolts. Make sure this thread's right. Oh, it did catch. Hell yeah. I'm having flashbacks of when I did this last time.
And it stripped?
It fucking snapped. I had to drill everything out. That was on the hatch. Hence why I went with the hatch. Use your elbow. A lot easier. Wide angle.
Oh, my fault, Pimper.
Hell, man. Ow! The fuck? I only went in like 2 times.
Just pull that bitch out.
It doesn't. It's threaded.
Push your wheel.
Oh boy, it's. Oh, shut up.
So this is like, so if anything, it's just like this.
Yeah.
I think it's supposed to then, no?
I think so too.
Yeah.
Because this might be a little too long.
Alright, say less. Let's do it.
No. I'm gonna finally install this shit after 7 years. And like 12 Civics.
Hell, outdated by now.
Nah, it's still this thing.
No, I'm saying like the design.
So,
Like
yeah, no, hell yeah. This is the sway bar that I'm gonna get.
I gave myself a dead leg. On what?
Oh, fuck.
Guys.
God damn. Must be flu.
Guys, don't smoke. That's what happens.
Shit.
That's what happens when you smoke.
Fuck. There you go. Back to business here.
Oh, that's the wrong size. That's it. Or no, it is. Oh, they're both the same size.
You had a subframe brace because you had the beaks more on the bottom too.
That was Raul. Remember? Because he went down here with like lacquer thinner or something and he wiped the beaks part off. And he was hella mad.
Yeah.
He was over there being OCD cleaning his shit and he's boom. And then these go up here. Maybe before we tie it, we should put all the bolts in.
Yep, I thought you were talking.
Is there a washer on both sides?
No, just the back.
Oh, just the back?
Oh, wait. Yeah, I don't think I need a washer on the front. Does it fit all the way or did it get longer both?
No, I mean, if it's pretty long.
It's good on the back?
Yeah.
Gucci, I was worried about that.
Oh, is that why you were at Lowe's?
Yeah.
Oh.
Get these back bolts.
That's the other one. Oh, I just fucking might have cracked my phone. Fuck.
I should have put the washer in the front.
No, probably the back.
Yeah, right?
But I'm just trying to figure out how. Oh, ow! Guys.
You're probably gonna have to do the.
Alright, so we got it installed now. Sorry I couldn't get the full process. Dumb GoPro kept overheating. But watch. Yeah. God damn. It showed that 40%, now it's at 20.
Your battery's fried.
Maybe the battery. Maybe the battery's what's overheating.
Ah.
But yeah, that's just on there. Missing one bolt, but
2 bolts.
2 bolts, I guess. But it's on there. What we doing now?
Well, we fixed the door jams in a short recession.
Yeah. Well, while the GoPro cooled down, this right here, it was like. Nah, it was like hella dragging. So now
nice and smooth.
Good.
So, a little simple stuff. Goes a long way. Now, we're gonna try to get his beat to go to work again. Oh, I thought it worked for a little bit, no? Oh. Give us 1 second, we'll be back. Huh?
I was gonna put that shit. So I don't need to scuff the.
Now we'll grind the top a little bit.
Cool.
Have a belt grinder. So right there where he's unbolting, I'll show you guys right now. Let me give you guys a rundown actually. We're gonna re-ground his system. Why do you have?
What's your random shit here?
No, it's because your RCA has that third wire, so I was like, oh, that's the video one.
Yeah.
So pretty much he's not getting a good ground, so we're gonna re-ground it. I'm gonna ground it down there where you can see where the spare usually bolts up to. Hopefully it reaches.
Yeah.
And hopefully it's a good ground. So let's start by cleaning that up.
Yeah. She's going under. She's hella like.
Huh? Where?
Let's see what's down here, but that should be fine.
No, I guess only gonna be the top.
Yeah.
Here. Grounded that down. I'm not gonna be recording the full thing because my GoPro is deciding to act up, so I'm just gonna show you guys the finished product. Shout out this guy reminding me. I almost forgot to show y'all. But we got it bolted up right there, running it around. And ground it up here. Because right now it's to the, which is not bad, but it doesn't have any
No, it's pretty bad.
anything at the end. So oh, it's that middle one, huh? We need an Allen key for that.
I got that one.
Oh, okay. One second window. Before that shit spills and I don't know what went where. Alright, so we are grounded. Just gotta kinda make it stay this way so it doesn't keep going everywhere. And we gotta take this one off. But then that shit on. See if it works. See power.